Oh wow, so much stuff. But with the Geely EX5, mastering storage is a piece of cake. With 33 delicate storage spaces, all your travel essentials can be perfectly stored, turning storage into a hassle-free game. The 10.8-liter hidden underfloor compartment easily holds handbags, flats, and other items. Behind the center console, a smart modular storage box serves as a family-sized organizer. Beneath the seats, a spacious 14-liter storage box makes the perfect treasure chest for kids. And for the rear space, it's ultra roomy. One-seated, you'll find ample space in front of your legs. The two-position adjustable backrest also easily allows for a 109-degree recline angle. With a huge 1877-liter cargo capacity, it can fit up to 21 suitcases when seats are folded down. Need extra security? The hidden storage under the trunk cover keeps your essentials safe and ready for any adventure. The EX5 is built to carry it all. So, how about that? You just learned another EX5 car tip.